me again. I know you're probably bored with all the parts videos, but this thing's got a lot of parts. So I'm gonna show you a few more parts that I picked up, and I have a tool review. So we'll call it a Tooly Tuesday part video. So we'll it's a 2-for-1. A Tooly Tuesday for one. Anyway, I got some Honda parts here. Here, I'll show you. If you look in the bag here, I got some. Actually, I'm gonna make a video just this to show you. But this is a. What the hell is it called again? A muffler thing. It's a muffler. I don't know what the hell it's called. Anyway, I also got a wrong size pin. This is a trailer H bolt, which is awesome because it's brand new. This is another H bolt for one of these suckers. I still can't get this off here. I might have to cut it. I might just take the bandsaw and cut it. I picked up my other bearings I ordered I didn't want. It came in, so put off. This is a rear different. There's I think 5 of these rear differential bolts. This is rear differential. What else? Another pin I didn't want. So yeah, that's the extent of that. Trash. I got all those. But the real fun thing I bought was this for $6. This is a, what is it? Come on. Can you guess what it is? Can you guess what it is? I might put it in the comments, the title, but this apparently is a seal puller. Yeah, but it's got a little problem right here. It's very sharp. It's not supposed to be that sharp, I don't think. See, this side's flat and this side's razor sharp. Anyway, it was like $6, and I was trying to pull bearings on. I find this might be good. I also, for $6, it's got a decent handle. It's got one little pin. It's kind of made, I don't know. Looks like it's unscrewing, actually. Hold on. Let's see. It's made pretty cheap. I shouldn't lie. It's made really cheap. The screw is toasted in there. Is it a square one? Looks like they stripped it. Well, you know what? This is pretty sloppy. It's like a plastic handle, a big metal thing, and a screw that's stripped. I know I was getting a screw. But anyway, it was like $6. Close. Battery's low. Yeah, of course I should plug the damn phone in. There we go. Ta-da! Anyway, it was $6 free shipping. How do you send this for $6? Free shipping. So I was thinking if I don't use it ever again for a what do you call it? To pull a couple of seals off with the other 2 transmissions I got. This would make a really good gardening hatchet. For a little hand tiller. It's just dig it in the soil. Because I have a little garden hatchet and it looks just like this. I was like, of course some mixes. Look at this. I don't know if you can see it, but whoever put this together didn't do a very good job. The screw it's a Phillips. It's not screwed in all the way. So tool's pretty sloppy. But you know what? Had I known what this is, I don't know if this is hardened steel or what. Probably. It's not tungsten. Had I known that this was this, I probably could have just made one. But sometimes you just don't want to make things. So yeah, that's what I bought. There's like $6 ones, and then there's $55 ones. I'm not sure if I really would need a $55 one. It's a solid bar. Pretty sure the $55 ones are the same thing with a better screw. So anyway, that's all. That's just my thing for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, tell your friends, and join the channel. Toodles.